Anyuola kaachiel gi johera mag jalendo matene mosenindo Leonard Mambo Mbotela odiochieng' ma kawuono oyoro nyasi mar lamo gik ne ringre jafwambo ma umbene lach e pacho kae e od lamo ma All Saints Cathedral buore Nairobi. Kotelegi gi min ode Alice Mikali gi ywago Mbotela kaka jal mane jahera, jachiwo kendo jal manohero kwe kata obedo ne en gi mbi kamano. Jotelo ma pacho ka kotelegi gi jagoro mogirore migawo mar weche tudruok Edward Kisiang'ani oywago Mbotela kaka jafwambo manohero tije gino moyango ni nokete machiegni gi jowinjo mage.
My husband loved his family and children, but was a man who did not like conflict at all, and while a public figure, kept our family safe from the limelight.
The spirit of broadcasting was embroidered deep in you. You were very generous, and you hated to see people suffer. I recall the morning we had breakfast together, and a lady carrying a child on her back approached for help, and you gave her 200 shillings. The lady was so overwhelmed, eyes reddened, and she cried uncontrollably. She couldn't believe it. That was Dad.
We all concur that this country has lost an icon, but he leaves behind a legacy that is worth emulating. His patriotism, his commitment to work, we cannot say enough. The best way to celebrate him is to pick these values and make them part and parcel of our life.
Leonard Mambo nilipata fursa ya kukutana naye wakati nimechaguliwa kama senator. Amekuja pale bunge wakati ambapo alikuwa anazindua kitabu chake, na akaniambia macho yetu tusiyazibe wakati maovu yanafanyika taifa letu, kwamba masikio yetu tusiyazibe wakati ambapo tunasikia maovu, na vinywa vyetu tusivizibe wakati ambapo tunaona maovu, ya kwamba tupaze sauti jinsi ambavyo alikuwa anapaza wakati wote kusimamia haki.